This demonstration we're going to look at performing bulk operations with Windows PowerShell. This is where Windows PowerShell really comes into its own, allowing me to make bulk changes from a script. So the first thing we're going to do here is we've already launched up Windows PowerShell. So the next thing to do is to start issuing some commands. So the first thing we're going to do here is we're just going to have a look at configuring a department for users. So in Windows PowerShell, all we'll do is we'll issue a little commandlet to do a search. So what we're doing here is we're doing a get-ad user, we're doing a filter for everything, we're going to search through organizational unit research at Demo12. So we'll hit the enter key. And as you can see, it gives me a list of all of the users in research. Next thing we'll do here is we will actually just specify the department for each of these users to be set to research. Let's clear the screen, just issue the commandlet. So what we're going to do here, we're going to do the same query again, but this time what we're going to do is we're going to do a pipe and we're going to set the AD user department to be research. So we'll hit the enter key. And that's now returned back. Let's just verify that, so we'll clear the screen again. So we've typed in get-ad user -filter and then department is equal to research. We're going to format the table and we're looking for distinguished name, department. So we'll hit the enter key. And as you can see here, it's now found all of the users where we specified research to be the department. So let's just clear the screen off again. Next thing we'll do here is we'll create an organizational unit. So we'll issue the command for organizational unit. And the command for that is new -ad organizational unit. I'm going to call it London branch and we're going to create it in datum.com. So that's now done. So the next thing we'll do here is we'll just create a little script to create some user accounts. So in my lab environment, Microsoft have very kindly written me a script, so we'll just navigate through the script. So I'll come into Windows Explorer. Within Windows Explorer here, we'll just go to the E drive, and then on the E drive we'll come for lab files, into lab files, module 4, and what we're looking for here is we're just looking for our demo users.csv file. So what we'll do at this point here is we'll just open this up, and we'll open it up with Notepad. And what we can see here is we're going to create some users. We're going to create 4 users with first name of these first names here, last, and then department. So we're using these headers to populate the script. So the next thing we'll have a look at here, we'll just minimize this down, and what we have is we have a demo user script as well. So let's open this up as well. Just going to launch up Windows PowerShell ISE just so we can have a look inside it. So what we can see here with this script, the $users is a variable, so we're going to import a file, demo users.csv. We're then going to use that file, and what we're going to do is we're going to use the information to create our user accounts. So the next thing to do here is just to run our script. So what we'll do here is we'll just click our run button, and away it goes and runs our script. Now the script's run, the last thing to do is just verify that these users have actually been created. So we'll just come into our Active Directory admin center. We'll come up to datum. And then what we'll do here is we'll just look for London branch. And we can see the 4 users. Now notice that the user has been created disabled, and the reason why it's been set to disabled is because no password was set during creation. And that's the end of this demonstration of creating users by using PowerShell and also modifying multiple users by using PowerShell. Thank you.